Future Home, advancing on automation with AI. In the Future Home article to integrante artificial integrante to manage a very simple device automation. Central service with predicts or learn learning die routines and adjusting the environment. This effort is extremely useful because it will eliminate stress of many daily domestic chores. The reason for that is that smart systems will coordinate cleanly and temporarily with zero man. Equip this technology with making usually moves more comfortably and wise because automation savvy is volatile. Renewable energy a green technology. Future home will operate its self-sustaining ecosystem to reduce environmental impact. Pros are going to be made is smart solar, the advanced system will collect and purify water. This implementation is very important because it helps protect the planet and drastically reduce electricity bill. The reason for what is that clean energy relies in free natural interruption. Living in eco-freezing houses with security and better food and that because is too environmental polluting. Smart security network: security in tomorrow and home green rely on private, local network with biometric security. Smart high-definition cameras are going to monitor the perimeter and reconnaissance family members installed. This infrastructure is vital because it will provide a complementary source environment from a lowest owner. The reason for that is that automatic systems can detect cyber threats and precision intrusion before the event happens. Families will live with total peace of mind and that's because the system monitors the housing 24/7. Cloud-connected home office: the architecture of future homes will include dedicated rooms designed for remote work and cloud computing. We are going to also virtual Discord infrastructure connected to house universities handles. This area is going to be highly useful because it is with optimized productivity and reducing computing time. The reason for that is that cloud technology allows us to deploy powerful digital tools directly from our living room. Professionals will balance the thing much better and tax because their own need to travel and offices per day. Private high computing data center instead featuring home will include their own smart location distributed servers to process data. Three compact, energy-efficient units are a goal to manage international operations and load data with reliable and external public cloud this private infrastructure is crucial because it with warranty, maximum data privacy, and absolute respect for external human. The red zone for that is that local processing kept personal information is fixed to house and eliminating international licensing of digital identity would be completely secure and apps because we with full control and very of no working data.